Left with peace. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'll tell you the truth. The memories you left me ain't helping me get through. They scatter around my house and I don't know what to do. No, I cleaned up all your stuff.
Hey dolls, welcome back to the dollhouse. What's good? What's up? As you can tell, this is a little different type video. I have a special guest here on my channel. We are twins. Nah, I'm playing, y'all. We're not. But this is my little sister. You want to go ahead and introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm her sister. My name's Sierra, but everyone calls me Cece.
Alrighty, so, before we get started, I've been trying to get Sierra to start a channel. So, if you guys would love to see a channel just featuring her pretty chocolate brown skin, leave a comment down below and just let her know, like, Sierra, what are you waiting for? I want everybody to spam my comments. Sierra, what are you waiting for? So, summer is basically here, and I feel like we have a problem. I wouldn't say it's a problem, but me and my sister buy bathing suits all the time. It's like every time we go to the beach, we wear something different. So, first video together will be a swimsuit try-on haul. So if you guys are interested in the pieces, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.